Hello friends, how are you? Good afternoon to everyone who is watching my this channel. Friends, my name is Dr. Ravi Prabhat Singh. I am from India, living in state of Haryana, from city Sirsa. I am related to Department of Psychiatry. I have completed my MD in psychiatry. I am working in field of psychiatry from last 16-17 years. I am doing my private practice in field of psychiatry. Friends, I started this channel on YouTube from last 1 week or 10 days only. Just started. I started because I realized that in this time of Corona period, it is very difficult for psychiatric patients to come to doctors and to show them in reality. Very difficult. Transport facilities are hardly available. Even if available, it is not up to the mark to go to the psychiatrist because so many difficulties are there. People are not wearing masks properly. People are not taking care of instructions about corona. Even in buses, even in local transports. So I thought, why not I start a channel in which I can see my patients online on 4G video calling. Whoever is interested in showing me his patient online only, just sitting at home, their home only, through a 4G video calling. Just for this corona period, I started this channel to give a facility to my patients so that they can show, their family member can show their patient sitting at their home only. In this way, I can see my patient online. I can give advice to his or her family members what to do, what not to do. I can give treatment online only. I can suggest what kind of medicines they should take for their patient. I can give prescription online and they can buy medicines by sitting at their place only. My contact number is 7015888610. Friends, this facility is given by me till this corona period is not over. Maybe for next 6 months, maybe for 1 year, as long as risk from getting infected from corona is not over or vaccine starts its work. Till that time, for next 6 months to 1 year, I am going to give this facility to my old or new patients who wants to show me online sitting at their home only. I am in field of psychiatry from so many years. Just realized that I should start something which is beneficial for my patients. This is about introduction of myself. In my next videos, I have this channel on name of Dr. Ravi Prabhat Singh. In this, basically, I am giving detail about all psychiatric problems video by video in Hindi. But then I realized that English is also equally important for entire India. Those who cannot understand Hindi, they can understand, at least they can try to understand in English, so that my point is to check whether my point is reaching to everyone or not. So friends, please support. Please see all kind of videos about psychiatric problems I am going to discuss in next videos in Hindi as well as in English. So really thank you. Please take care from corona. Please follow all instructions given by Government of India, given by Health Department of India. Always wear mask before leaving from home. Don't take any strictness carelessly, because after all, whatever government is doing, health department is doing, they are doing for our favor. They are doing because they care for our health. Please maintain all those kind of instructions, follow them, keep distance from other people while you are in market or while you are in office place or at relatives home or at marriage place. Please maintain distance from people so that chances of getting infected from corona should be not there or will not be there, to have peace and prosperity in your own family. Thank you friends. Namaskar. Please visit my channel.